I haven't posted a loft in a while. Just a little clip here. The loft definitely got a little bigger. Got some birds in here. Everybody's flopping around. Healthy, happy, cooing, mating, pairing up, flying. Probably got about, I want to say, I did a head count today. Got babies, moms, youngsters, moms, youngsters. Probably got about, my head count today, I want to say 86 birds in here. I'll be letting them out in a couple of weeks. Let them fly, stretch out, do the thing. Definitely have a wide variety of selections, yellows, coppers, caps, Isabellas, blue bars, a little bit of everything. I like what I like. I like a variety. My only concern is healthy birds. That's all I ask for, some healthy birds. Try my best to keep them healthy as much as I can. As you can see, I got that Pro Vital in the water because the weather's gonna be crappy tomorrow. Feed, grit, vitamins, minerals, nutrients. But yeah, this is my crew that I'll be starting to train in a couple of weeks or so. Making sure that the youngsters are eating on their own and can fend for themselves and not depend on mom and dad. I'm gonna start shutting down the breeding completely over here in this loft. The homers are shut down. These will be shutting down in a week or two. And let's see what these bad boys could do. Thank you all for tuning in. Peace and love to all. Hope everybody has a blessed day. Safe weekend. I'm topping out. Peace and love. I'm out.